You're what?
You're videotaping. Okay, Steven, you're driving. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
You all set?
Yeah.
Here goes.
Go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, I know.
Steven's first trip in a 36. Okay, here. Put the hand on skull shifter, second gear. There you go. Okay, here. Watch this road.
This road?
Watch the road. Keep your eyes on the road. There you go. Go out the road there. There you go. Get the angle. Okay, so give him some more gas.
Yeah. More? How much gas?
Stevie, you're a little careful. Keep him on the road there.
Okay.
Keep your eyes on the road. Okay, we're coming to a stop sign.
Stop.
Okay, push in the clutch. Okay, well, you got it. Okay. Okay, here, first gear.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Okay, let the clutch out easy. Give it a little gas. Okay,
Okay.
there you go. There you go. Stay careful. Watch where you're going. We're going. Keep your eyes on the road. All right, Steven, you're driving.
Yeah.
Both hands on the wheel.
Ow, ow.
Sorry. All right.
Hey, look at that street that I could climb a
Yeah. Concentrate on driving down Hillsdale Boulevard. Hey, where are we? We're up by the golf course somewhere. Okay, careful. Remember what I said about hand over hand. Okay, here's the stop sign.
Okay, stop.
Hold on. Here we go. Hold on, let's push in the clutch. Okay, here, first gear. Okay. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Clutch out.
Yeah.
Okay, first.
First,
Second.
and now third?
No, not yet.
Why?
Because we're coming to a stop sign. Okay, let me push in the clutch. First gear is right here to the right.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. I'm kind of lost. Okay. Okay, you want to make a left-hand turn? So put your hand on this.
Oh.
Here, let's go. I'll put my left hand on here.
No, this is what I do. No, this is what you do. That, not that. You go like this.
Okay. Okay, now hand over hand. Remember, you're going to turn it like this, like this. Okay, here we go. Ready for right turn? Let's clutch out. Give a little gas. Okay, here you go. Hand over hand. All right. Okay. Good job. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Second.
Second.
Now you can do third here. Okay, wait. Easy.
Third.
Okay, watch. Guys on the road.
Keep your hands up on the wheel.
Put on some distractions.
Now fourth.
Oh, this is a good one. Here we go. All right, Steven, you're driving. Careful. Keep your hands on the wheel. How are you doing? No, not yet. I don't think so. No, this is dead end. No.
Oh.
I'm gonna go this way.
What? Stop.
Straight.
Stop.
Straight.
Straight. Yeah.
You don't have to go straight. I know where I'm going.
You just pass the stop sign. Yes. Stop there.
I've been driving all night, my hands wet on the wheel.
First gear.
There's a voice in my head that drives my heel. It's my baby calling, says I need you here. And it's 4:30 and I'm shifting gear. When she's lonely and the longing gets too much, she sends a cable coming in from above. Don't need to bump down. We've got a thing that's holding out love. We've got a wave in the air. Red love. The radio springs a forgotten song. Brand new my love.
Okay, third. You put it fourth.
Now,
Fourth. Okay. Okay.